I'm Nicholas, the co-founder and CTO of Hoplite Power. Hoplite's a charge-sharing network. When you're low on battery for your phone, you can go to a kiosk on our network, rent out a battery, plug it into your phone, charge your phone, take it with you, and then when you're done, drop it off anywhere in the network. So it's like the City Bike here in New York, or Redbox, but for smartphone charging. We've been doing this for about 5 years now, going through a version 1 prototype that we've launched here in New York, and now rolling out a second one in live events and venues and stadiums across the United States. So we're looking at now installing at live venues, stadiums, and sports arenas, as well as theme parks, where we can see that there's a sort of micro network where there's a lot of people that really need to be connected with their phone. At the same time, the venues are looking for people to be able to stay connected to their smartphones because of the digital engagement that they want from their guests. Starting from $3 up to even $10, depending on the location, for a 24-hour rental where they can rent the battery out and they get it to use it as much as they want until they return it within that time period. So customers really like the fact that they're not tethered down to anything when they're charging their phones. They can use their phones as they want it, where they want it. They can take it back to their seat, they can take it around, and they can charge on the go without having to leave their phone anywhere. Venues, on the other hand, also really like it because their guests get to stay connected, their guests get to continue to use any social media apps, which are very important to them, and there's also less liability for them having to charge their phones or have people leave their phones anywhere. So the whole thing is that we're designing and building both a custom battery, but the battery is just slightly different. The main thing is that we have a kiosk that is fully automated that takes these batteries in, recharges them, and sends them back out. We have 48 batteries per machine in these small footprint, basically kiosks, that you can distribute maybe 5, 10 in a stadium and rent out a battery from them and then return it to any in that network. We're really excited that once we're finished this pilot with our major league baseball partner, we're going to be looking for funding to be able to continue and expand this throughout leagues here in the United States.